Today we are going to talk about the installation process of Power Automate Desktop. Let's go to website make.powerautomate.com. Once you are into this web page, you'll be seeing the options where it is giving you options of going into approvals, my flows, create, templates, connectors, data, monitor, AI builder, process advisor, and learn section. You have to press over my flows. Here you will be seeing the options of cloud flows and desktop flows. Let's go to desktop flows. Here you will be seeing the option either to launch the app or download app. As you won't be having the app into your system unless you're downloading it, you have to press over this download app. Let the file be downloaded. It will take few seconds. Once the setup file is downloaded, let's double click over that. Let's go to next, and you will be seeing the program file path. We will keep the locations as it is. We will keep all those things as it is, and we will opt out of this optional data collection. You can check it if you want to, but let's check this checkbox for now. Let's press over install. It will be showing you this pop-up which says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I want that. Let's press over yes. And the installation is done. It will be giving you option to download the extensions for these browsers. Let's launch this app. And here you will be seeing the examples. So there are two tabs into Power Automate Desktop. The first tab is My Flows, where you will be creating your programs. I have a lot of programs created, and that is why it is showing me that these many programs are under my account. Let's explore Example tab. If you see, there are few categories of examples present here. It is having Excel, web, desktop, date time, PDF, text, and scripting examples. That is it from my side in terms of installation processes, and I will be covering all these examples one by one, and I will be uploading the videos.